So this is exactly how to connect your Aula F75 keyboard to your mobile via Bluetooth. So the first thing we need to do is to set it to Bluetooth here, and you can see this little switcher here. Switch it to BT right here, as you can see. Now when you have switched it to BT, then what you're going to do, you have actually three ways to do this. So if you click on the FN button and then 1 here and then just hold it for 3 seconds, you will see that the 1 here is blinking blue now for me. So that means that I can now connect via Bluetooth to any device, so for example mobile. So you can actually connect up to 3 devices at the same time if you would want to do that, obviously. So you can also click on FN2 and have your mobile there, or a tablet or computer, and FN3 something else, of course. But for this tutorial I'm just going to click on FN1 and FN and 1 here, obviously, and now it's set into pairing mode. And now what I'm going to do on my mobile, I'm just going to open it up here and then go into settings and then go into Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth here, and here is Aula F75, as you can see. And then click on pair, and you can see Aula F75 is now connected. Very, very easy to be able to do this, and basically that is exactly how to connect it via Bluetooth here, as you can see.